So I had a friend make a statement to me. She was telling me a story, and she said her roommate is always weighing and measuring food, and she basically is like, if I have to do that, oh hell no. No way. So let me quickly go through why you need a food scale and why you don't. So food scales obviously are designed to help a person quantify their food by weight, so they actually know what they're eating. Here's what actually happens with that though. If a person is eating fairly healthily and they're working out, then generally they don't need a food scale. But here's what happens. Once men get to around 13 to 14% body fat, and for women it ends up being around 23 to 24%, the process of leaning out can slow down. And at that point, then we have to be a little bit more specific about the foods that we're eating, and that's when you would need a food scale. So it's very simple. That palm, thumb, palm video that's out there, that's gonna help us just be healthy. But if you're looking to really get your physique to a particular body fat percentage, then yes, you might want a food scale. If you need help with that, then there's another video. I'll link that in the description, probably. And with that, I'll talk to you tomorrow.